Dear Chairman and dear colleagues, I'm going to present our study titled Is it possible to use expired resin composites FTIR analysis? The shelf life of composite materials is the period from the date of manufacturing for which a material retains the physical and mechanical properties necessary to accomplish its prescribed purpose. Sometimes, in spite of all the precautionary measures, the expired material can be used by the clinicians inadvertently. Sometimes clinicians overstock composites and cannot use them before expiration date. The degree of conversion of dental resin composite is crucial in determining the physical-mechanical performance of the material and its biocompatibility. Strength, modulus, hardness, and water sorption are directly related to the degree of monomer to polymer conversion in composites. The aim of the study is to evaluate the confidence interval in the use of these products as restorative materials by comparing the conversion degree of composite resins 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years past their expiration date. Material and method. 9 standard 2 mm height and 4 mm diameter discs were prepared from 3 different expired dates of same resin composite shown in Table 1. Expired composite materials were placed in silicone molds covered with mylar strips on both sides and polymerized with LED light curing unit (ultraden) under finger pressure for 20 seconds. The polymerized samples kept in distilled water for 24 hours at 37 centigrade degree. Spectral analyses were performed on uncured and cured composites using sample with Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy to determine the degree of conversion values. Before the analysis, the crystal area was cleaned and the background reading was collected. Uncured samples were put directly on the small crystal area on a universal diamond ATR top plate. Force was then applied to the sample, pushing it onto the diamond surface. The samples, which were polymerized and kept in distilled water, were ground using marble mortar and then analyzed following the same procedure. Then the degree of cure was calculated for each specimen using the following equation. Data was analyzed using SPSS and p-value less than 0.05 was considered statistically significant. Results. The highest mean degree of conversion was recorded for the group of 1 year expired resin composite, followed by the group of 2 years expired resin composite. While the lowest mean degree of conversion was recorded for the group of 2 years expired resin composite, there was no significant difference between the three groups at p-value. Discussion. Our results are agreement with the results of Garcia et al., Aziz, and Sabbagh et al. The expiration date didn't seem to affect the investigated mechanical properties, but Ball et al. Showed that expiration date of composite resins greatly affects cells viability. Conclusion. Under the limitation of this study, the 1, 2, and 3 years expired composites of Arclight XRV showed similar degree of conversion results. Clinicians are still advised to follow manufacturers' recommended expiration dates. Thank you for your participation.